Why does your money never feel organized even after working so hard and earning a steady income? Most people work hard, bring an income, yet still feel like their money disappears too quickly. Not because they are careless, but because there is no proper system behind their spending and saving habits. In today's video, we are going to go through smart budgeting systems that actually work in real life. These simple methods help you control your money without stress or confusion, even if budgeting has failed you before. Small changes in the way you handle money can completely shift your financial direction over time. Let's get into it. 1. Cash flow bucket system. Money moves itself. One of the smartest budgeting systems is to stop tracking money manually after spending and instead control at the moment it arrives. The idea is simple. Your income should automatically split into different zones before you even touch it. You create separate accounts for different purposes like fixed bills, savings, and daily spending. Bills like rent, utilities, and debt payments go into one place. Long-term savings or investments move into another. And your daily life spending stays in a separate account for freedom use. This system removes confusion completely. You already know your bills are covered, your savings are growing, and whatever is left is safe to spend without guilt. It also reduces mental stress because you're no longer calculating every expense in your head. Your money starts managing itself in the background while you focus on life. Over time, this system builds strong discipline without forcing you to think about money every day. It also helps prevent overspending because your limits are already structured in advance. Even small incomes feel more organized when they're divided properly. It also creates a clear sense of control because every rupee already has a purpose before you spend it. You stop reacting emotionally to money and start following a simple structure that runs automatically. Over time, the system builds financial confidence because nothing feels random anymore. 2. Small adjustments instead of strict cutting. Most budgets fail because they feel like punishment. People try to cut everything at once, and it becomes impossible to follow for long. A better system is small adjustments that quietly improve your finances over time. Instead of removing everything you enjoy, you reduce unnecessary spending in small areas, cancel and use subscriptions every few months, and remove services you forgot you were paying for. You can also make small lifestyle swaps, like cooking at home a couple times a week instead of ordering food, or reducing unnecessary convenience spending. These changes don't feel heavy, but over time, they save a surprising amount of money. The key is consistency, not restriction. Small improvements are easier to maintain, which is why they work better in the long run. You don't feel deprived, so you don't quit the system. Over months, these small changes quietly create big financial results. It also builds a natural sense of control because you are improving your habits without forcing big sacrifices. This approach makes budgeting feel sustainable instead of stressful. 3. Planning for yearly expenses in advance. One major reason budgets break is surprise expenses that were actually predictable. Things like insurance renewals, holidays, repairs, or yearly fees always show up, but people treat them like emergencies. A smarter approach is planning them in advance. You estimate your yearly costs, divide them into monthly portions, and save slowly every month. For example, if something costs around a fixed amount per year, you simply set aside a small portion each month, so the full amount is ready when needed. This removes financial stress because nothing feels sudden anymore. You are no longer shocked by bills because you already prepared for them in the background. It also stops the cycle of borrowing or using credit cards during large expenses. You stay in control even when unexpected bills arrive. Over time, this habit builds a strong sense of financial security. It also helps you think ahead instead of reacting in panic when money is needed. Small monthly planning feels easy, but it removes big financial pressure later. Over time, this habit makes your entire financial life feel more stable and predictable. 4. Slowing down impulse spending. Modern spending is designed to be instant. One click, one tap, and money is gone. That speed is the biggest reason people lose control without realizing it. A strong budgeting system adds friction back into spending. You remove saved payment methods from apps and avoid one-click purchases where possible. You also apply a simple delay rule for non-essential purchases. Instead of buying immediately, you wait before deciding. Most impulse desires naturally fade after a short time. This small delay gives your mind time to think clearly instead of reacting emotionally. Over time, it builds stronger control without forcing strict discipline. It also helps you understand your real needs versus emotional wants. Many purchases lose importance once the excitement fades. This habit alone can save a large portion of unnecessary spending. 5. Let technology handle the tracking. Manually tracking every transaction is exhausting and usually doesn't last. A smarter system uses apps and tools that automatically categorize your spending. Modern budgeting apps can connect directly to your accounts and sort expenses into groups like food, transport, and entertainment. This removes the need for constant manual effort. Instead of focusing on every small number, you start seeing patterns in your spending behavior. You understand where money is going without doing the hard work yourself. This allows you to focus on improving decisions instead of getting stuck in calculations. It also helps you identify spending leaks you normally wouldn't notice. Over time, your awareness improves without extra effort, making budgeting much easier to maintain. IT also makes budgeting feel less stressful because the system is doing most of the work for you. You get a clearer picture of your financial habits without spending hours on tracking. 6. Flexible budget framework, real-life budgeting. A common mistake is thinking budgets must be fixed and strict. In reality, life changes, and your budget should adjust with it. A simple structure like needs, wants, and savings still works, but it should be flexible based on your situation. If essential costs are high, you simply reduce non-essential spending for a while, instead of abandoning the system. The goal is balance, not perfection. Some months will feel tighter. Some months will feel easier. The system should support real life, not fight against it. When your budget adjusts with reality, it becomes easier to follow long-term. This flexibility prevents burnout and keeps you consistent even during difficult months. It also helps you stay in control without feeling restricted. Over time, this creates a healthier relationship with money. It also helps you stay calm during financial ups and downs because your system can adjust instead of breaking. You don't feel like you fail when things change. You simply adapt your plan. This kind of flexibility makes budgeting feel realistic and easy to maintain in the long run. Eventually, money management becomes part of your lifestyle instead of a constant struggle. 7. Zero-based budgeting. Every dollar has a job. One of the most powerful systems is assigning every single dollar a purpose before the month begins. Nothing is left floating without direction. You plan your income in advance and distribute it across categories like bills, savings, investments, and daily needs. By the end of the allocation, your income reaches zero on paper, meaning every dollar already has a role. This doesn't mean you are broke. It means your money is fully controlled instead of being random. When money has a clear job, it becomes much harder to waste it without noticing. It also forces awareness in every financial decision you make. Over time, this habit creates stronger discipline and better financial clarity without extra effort. It also helps you feel more intentional with every purchase because you already know where your money is supposed to go. Spending becomes a planned decision instead of a random reaction. This structure quietly builds confidence in handling money. Even with limited income, eventually, you start feeling fully in control of your financial direction instead of guessing your way through it. And there you have it. Smart budgeting systems that actually work in real life. At the end of the day, budgeting is not about restriction or pressure. It is about giving your money a clear direction so it stops slipping away unnoticed. When your system is simple and consistent, money management becomes easier instead of stressful. Even small improvements in how you structure your money can build long-term stability if you stay consistent. If this video helped you understand money a little better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below what part of budgeting you struggle with the most. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.